everyone, in today's video we are going to show you the calibration process. Make sure the dashed line mark on the bottom side. Place the calibration board vertically onto the paper position and ensure the open angle is as the pattern shows. Follow the instructions from the software to finish 5 positions of calibration. While holding the scanner, make sure it is upright to the center of the board, and the square in the screen focuses on the center cross of the board. Move the scanner from closer to further to the board till all distance blocks turn into green. If there are some blocks missing, just move closer or further to fill out it. Then the software will take you to the white balance page. Put the back side of the board on the stable and level table. Point the scanner upright to the board and move it closer or further until the blue block is in the middle position and turned into green. Quick calibration is recommended when recalibration is needed. Only one position is required. Place the calibration board same as how we did it in standard calibration, and hold the scanner as shown in the instruction. Move the scanner from closer to further to the board till all distance blocks turn into green. Thank you all for watching. That's all for today's video.